friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Happy Halloween. I'm coming at you today with another Halloween-y eyeshadow look. Today I played with the Spooked palette between Gourmande Girls and Doodles by the Bunny. I also did my cheeks with you, and I just love how this came out, this purple-orange explosion. I think it is so fun. I hope you are having a good October so far. It's only the second day for me, but I'm already having a blast. This is just the best time of year. I think it's so fun. Before we get into it, my accessory details, these plugs are Love Kills Boutique, and I don't remember where this choker's from because it's very old and very generic. But yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in and play with some makeup. Hi friends, hello, and how's it going? We are gonna bust out this Halloween-y look today. I need to leave my house in like 40 minutes, so this is what we're gonna do. I've already prepped my face. I already have my brows, primer, concealer, and bronzer on, and powder, I guess. So we're gonna do cheeks, eyes, and lips together. I'm thinking today I wanna do purple eyes, orange cheeks, orange lips. That's kind of the Halloween vibe I'm feeling right now. For blush, I wanna use this orange one from Lethal, which I don't remember the name off the top of my head right this second, but it'll all be in the description box as usual. I guess I can just pluck it out and tell you. It's called Floret. Right there, and it's very gorgeous, very glowy, very orange. Very orange, you see? Let me knock my brush off a little bit before I go to town and start blending this out. How are you doing? I can't believe it's October. I'm so excited. Today's actually my last day at home before I leave on my vacation, which I'll have already returned from by the time this video goes up. But I wanted to film one last video before I leave, just so that I'm fairly prepped when I return as well. Oh, I just love that blush. Look how pretty it is. Orange, glowy goodness. It's so, so pretty. I love it. For highlight, I want to dip into my Blend Bunny Noctilucent palette, and I really want to use Enlighten. I really love this gold shifty highlight paired with an orange blush. I just think it's so good together. It just flows perfectly. So pretty. Oh, I love that. I cannot get enough of this highlight palette. It's like all I want to use right now. And now I'm just gonna spray my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, and then we'll move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I want to use my Spooked palette from Gourmande Girls and Doodles by the Bunny. I'm loving this palette. I did already post a tutorial with this on my Instagram and TikTok, but I wanted to play with it again over here. I'm gonna prime with my Kaleidos eye primer. Just gonna plop a little bit on. Do you hear the crows going nuts outside? They are so loud right now. I love that I have crows in my neighborhood. It's like one of my favorite things. Just gonna blend this guy out, and we're gonna go to town with some purples. I think I wanna do a purple halo eye. I think that sounds good. So I'm gonna start with Cauldron. This is a Sigma E27. I'm just gonna start kind of packing it in the inner and outer corner. Not gonna like worry about blending it just yet. I just wanna get that shade laid down. I'm so impressed with this brand so far. This is the first palette I've tried from them. They did send me 2 other palettes that they already had existing in their range. I just haven't used them yet. I'm gonna use them soon though. And I'm very excited to try them out. I'm gonna swirl this on the lower lash. I think I want the lower lash line just to be smoked out. I don't think I wanna halo my lower lash line today. Just want a very explosive purple situation. So I'm gonna take this dual-ended Sigma brush. I'm gonna use the E38 side, the blending brush, no additional product. And I'm just gonna lightly dust around these edges just to get that shade a little bit more diffused before I add in my darker shade. And I am intentionally avoiding the middle as much as possible, just kind of leaving that blank, but I am heavily smoking out the lower. And also just gonna lightly blend out that inner corner area as well. I love that we're in the Halloween season. Nothing makes me happier right now. I'm so excited to go on vacation tomorrow. Like I said, I'll already be back by the time this video goes up. I'm sure my vacation vlogs will have already started as well. But I'm just so excited to see a new place, do some Halloween activities. It's gonna be fun. Really like this purple. This purple's really pretty. To deepen it up, I want to take Fright. I think I'm honestly just going to use the same brush. Just going to dip in and just focus this more specific to the inner and outer corner, just to add a little bit more depth and dimension so it's not just one shade of purple. I like to stack my shades just to give it as much depth as possible. I like the way those colors layer together. I think that's a really pretty diffusion. And of course, again, gonna smoke it out on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna do the same thing I just did. I'm just gonna take that other fluffy brush and just start running it around the edges. I am gonna wipe the brush off periodically so it stays as clean as possible, just to get a nice diffusion going on. I think this is already looking so, so pretty. Now time for shimmer. I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer, of course. Just gonna use the E54 packing side of that dual-ended Sigma brush, grab a little dollop of the primer, and just pack it on the lid. I'm gonna take the shade Treat, just grabbing it on that same sticky brush, and I'm just going to pack this in the inner and outer corner of the lid. Oh, that is so vibrant and so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. What a good shade. Oh, that is so, so pretty. Just gonna fluff the edges just a little bit just to make sure they're nice and diffused before I go in with my spotlight shade. I'm gonna use the shade Pumpkin. This is such a show-stopping shade. It is so pretty. I'm just gonna use this right in the center of my lid. Like, look at that. I think this is my favorite shade in the whole palette. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, like, it's amazing. It's so, so cool. I'm gonna put it on the other eye as well, and then we'll work on blending it together. What are your favorite Halloween time movies? I usually watch a movie every single night in October, or at least I try to. That's always my goal. So what are your favorites, so I can maybe add something new to my list that I hadn't thought of? We watched that new Munsters movie last night. It was really, really cute. It's so, so just campy and wonderful. I really, really enjoyed it. I'm just obsessed with that. It just looks like Halloween. It's so cool. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with that same shade. It's just such a good color. My goodness. I hope this palette's still in stock by the time this video goes up. It was still in stock last time I checked, but this is a couple weeks out. Just gonna dust a teeny bit of pumpkin under the brows as well. Just want Sparkle City. It's so pretty. So I mean, yeah, this is the look. At this point, I'm just going to finish it up. I'm gonna throw on my lashes and eye pencil and something on my lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. I'm so impressed that this is only 4 shadows. I think it's so pretty, so dimensional. This was such a quick and easy look, but looks so impactful. I'm obsessed with this. I think it's so good. I think this eye pencil is called Blown Away or something. It's from the Avatar collection in Colourpop, but the name's rubbed off. Something with the word blown in it. These lashes are the unfortunately discontinued Fiona lashes from Noella Lashes, and on my lips, I went with the Hallows Eve Liquid Lip from Lunar Beauty. I love this look. I just love that it's so orange, but then there's that bright pop of purple on my eyes. I think this is so good, and I really enjoyed playing with this palette again. I think it's such a winner. So yeah, let's just zoom out and finish up this video. I still have a little bit of time, so it's okay, but I do have to leave soon. Thank you so much for watching my video. I had so much fun doing this look. I'm so glad I was able to squeeze out time to do this today because I was worried I wasn't gonna have time to film at all. And I'm so glad I did because this look is so fun and I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna be very thrilled to wear this for the rest of the day. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you just leave some Halloween emojis? I feel like that's what we've been doing pretty much every day this month so far. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you haven't already. I'm posting every single day in October. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.